ButcherBox did it again.
It's such a busy time of year for people, and ButcherBox has a lot of solutions, even as homesteaders that raise our own meat. So why did we choose to get another ButcherBox, Brooke?
Well, one of the first reasons that we chose is because we want to supplement what we already raise.
Right.
So as a large family and just as homesteaders in general, it's hard to raise everything that we want to eat.
I could see that a smaller family could easily sustain themselves on their meat production. But for us, it's a lot of meat. I mean, we already have 5 cows, a gazillion chickens, turkeys, quail, duck, and we still need some supplementation every now and then.
Yeah.
So ButcherBox is very helpful for that. They also ensure a consistent supply. So if I'm having trouble getting something right now, like right now we're not butchering any chickens.
Right.
I can get chickens from them whenever. They always have chicken.
Yeah, and when we're in between 2 cows, it's really nice, which is where we are now.
Right.
We're in between 2 cows. One's about to go to the butcher in like a couple months. But we're at that point where we're like pretty low on beef and might need some stuff to supplement.
They also offer access to a lot of specialty cuts. So like while we butcher our chickens, we'll either roast them whole or we'll can them for like chicken salads and things like that. But rarely do we get like chicken wings or drumsticks. That would require a lot of chickens.
And a lot of work.
Just to feed our family some wings.
Right.
But wings are so much fun.
They are. They're a lot of fun. And like drumsticks and those cuts that we don't normally get.
Correct. And while we get a lot of the specialty beef cuts because we do our own cows, other homesteaders may not. So if they're only raising chicken, but they really want a ribeye, ButcherBox can come through on that.
Another reason is the time and labor savings. So raising and butchering your own animals takes a lot of time and a lot of manual labor. And it may not be something that we all have time for or all have the skills to do. And this is where ButcherBox can fill in for you.
Right. I mean, I think it's a blessing. We have such a large family with so many older kids that want to help out. But if we were just like a 4-person family with like 2 younger kids, it'd be hard to keep up with a homestead. My favorite thing about ButcherBox is how much they care about the ethical treatment of animals. It's something that we pride ourselves on with our animals, making sure that they are loved, they're well taken care of, they're not mistreated in any way. When you buy meat from a grocery store, you can't say that necessarily. And so I appreciate the way that ButcherBox commits to doing those things. You ready to dive in what we got?
Yeah, let's see what we got.
Exciting. So we did a custom box, which is 6 cuts of your choice. And they always send it in such a nice insulated cooler.
Yes.
And dry ice.
Ooh, how exciting.
All right, so let's see here. The first thing that we got was we chose to do 2 of our cuts as chicken wings. So there's 1 and 2. Those are 3-pound packages. So we have 6 pounds of the chicken wings. We also went for the drumsticks again. They were so good last time, y'all. So fresh. Everyone loved them. We grilled them up on the Blackstone with some seasoning. And also the chicken breast. So you see, we're not butchering chickens right now. So I thought, let's take advantage of some of the chicken options. They're all organic and free range, which means a lot to me.
You notice it also says no antibiotics ever. Also all natural, no added hormones. And like I said before, proudly raised on U.S. farms.
That's important. Something special that we got that we hadn't chosen before was the turkey bacon. We're big fans of turkey bacon. We're going to turn this into a BLT night for everybody. That'll be fun. And then the special that they had going when we ordered was the turkey. Now it's a different special, but how fun that we got a young turkey.
They're pretty small. They're like the size of ours, so that should mean something.
They're definitely farm raised because they're not these massive, huge, hormone-filled turkeys that you see normally. It was fed all vegetarian feed, so that's good. It was well cared for sure.
Yeah, so I guess we're gonna have to try it and tell y'all if they are worth maybe purchasing next time they have them.
Yes, because we haven't had one before. But we're gonna eat all this next week, and so you'll be able to see those in our meals. So we are getting ready to make our meal plan for next week, incorporating all this, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. And you know that we post all of our meals, so you can come back next week and see how we used it all. and how much we enjoyed it.
Yeah. And I'll leave a link for ButcherBox down below, which will take you to their latest promo or promotion. And for Black Friday, they are doing your choice of ribeyes, filet mignons, or New York strips for an entire year free.
So you get them with every box?
Yes, you get them with every box.
Wow.
For a year. I don't remember the sizes. You'll have to go click the link down below, take a look. But if you've been considering ButcherBox, I think now's the time to get in before those free steaks
I can't
are gone.
imagine that they're going to have a better deal than the Black Friday sale.
Probably not.
But let's not tell Dad that you can get free steaks for a whole year, okay? Shh. So thank you again, ButcherBox, for sending us this. We really appreciate it. We love your products so much. We feel good about promoting them to our audience because of how the animals are treated and how they align with our standards on our homestead.
Yeah. So thanks y'all for watching. Make sure you like, leave a comment down below, let us know what you think, and subscribe.
See you next time.